Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well and I hope that you are making good money by using the strategies that I have given earlier. This is the strategy which I am going to tell you, a beautiful strategy, and this works very wonderful using RSI and EMA. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and do like my videos and write in comment section and tell me on which topic you want to see the next videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we will add moving average of 20 period. As I've already added here, you can see. And if you're new, if you do not know how to add indicators, I would like to tell you, you need to press this F sign. After clicking this F sign, you can add to main chart and then search for the indicator list. Suppose moving average. This here you can see moving average is here. I have already added. This is the 20 period moving average. I have already added. You can add it. Shift will be 0. Method will be exponential. Apply to close. And style will be 3 as I have kept. You can change according to your choice. My color is green here. Press done on top right corner here and we are done. Next indicator which we have to add is that RSI. Go to this button again, add indicator. As I have added here, this is of 1 period and I have applied it to close. Pixel is 3, style is 3 pixel, and then the color I have put is blue here. Now you need to edit the levels here. Just click this button, open this list of levels, and first levels which you have to add is that 90, and then again the next level will be 80. Then again press this, add another level of 20 period, then again another level of 10 period, and then one more level of 50. We have added this, we are done. Let's go back. The level is added. Now press right, on top right corner it's written done. Click it here and we are all done. We have added RSI of 1 period. Next indicator which you have to add is that EMA. Go to this button again and don't go to main chart. You need to click here on indicator window 1. You have to add EMA here of 50 period. I have clicked here and find for search for moving average here. The period will be 50, shift will be 0, it will be exponential. Apply to close. Its color will be, let's give it violet. We are done. And then another moving average we have to add here inside this RSI. So go to this setting again, click here on indicator window 1 and search for moving average again. Moving average here, click it and its period will be 10. Now change its color to red. Style will be 3 pixel. Now press done on top right corner. You are all set. Now I want to tell you how I take trading in this strategy, using this strategy. Suppose you can see whenever the crossover happens in this 20 period moving average here, as you can see, whenever price crosses this level, whenever price cross this moving average line, you need to look for the setup. Suppose here it is crossing and you can look for setup here by looking at the RSI below. Here also the crossover is happening. When crossover is happening on both sides, you can take trade. For here we can see the crossover is happening and we will take trade here and see how much good profit we have got from here to here. And again it is giving more profit. I'm using this strategy in live market, and I have booked the profit now also. So you can use it in your strategy and earn a very good profit from market. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and do comment and tell on which topic you want to see the next videos. Thanks for watching, guys.